I'm Anjali Menon. I'm going to show you today how to make easy palapam. Palapam in the sense appams. Most of you must be knowing about that, but you might not be knowing how to make it traditionally from scratch. Especially I have friends who are not Malayalis and who do not know how to make appam. So let me show you how to do that. So the brand that we are going to use today is Double Horse Easy Palapam Mix. I'll tell you how to make appams, not the traditional way, but at the same time very nicely. So this is the main ingredient, and let's move on to the next ingredients. We need about 600 ml water, lukewarm water, 1 cup milk, this is a 250 ml cup, little sugar and salt. So these are the ingredients. As you see, we'll be blending all these in a mixer grinder. I am using the biggest jar of my mixer grinder that I have, so you can also do the same because it can be blended in one shot. First we add 4 tablespoons of sugar. Then we use the upper mix, the powder inside. You can put in all of the packet. Next, add the water. And then the milk. Add half teaspoon salt. Now you know why we need the biggest jar of the mixer grinder. We now blend all of this for about 1 minute. So now it's ready. This is the blend. We'll be pouring it into a bigger vessel. So once you pour it into the vessel, give it a good mix. Close it with a lid and let it be on the kitchen counter itself for about 1 hour. The batter will rise by then. Make sure that you always use a bigger vessel for pouring in this mixture because this batter will rise up within 1 hour. So it's very much necessary that you have a bigger vessel than the amount of the mixture that you are pouring. So let's wait for 1 hour, and after that I will show you how to make appams. It's been 1 hour. Let's see how much the batter has risen. That is, we need to give it a good mix because the batter has risen. Once we mix it, it will go down. So you see, this is the batter. Here it took 1 hour and a few minutes more. It depends on the weather conditions as well. So even if it goes to about 1.5 to 2 hours to rise like this, don't be disappointed. You're not going wrong anywhere. It's just with consideration to the weather as well. Now let's see how to make appams. Now let me show you how to make appams. So we have our batter here. The next thing we need mainly is the kadai. This is the appam kadai that I already have. It's in this shape. You can also use non-stick kadai if you have that. And you need a lid also for this. And you need some oil, a brush or any kind of cloth that you use to smear the oil on the kadai. I have used gingerly oil here. You can use any other oil you prefer. Keep your kadai on low flame always. Now smear some oil into the kadai. Take a ladle full of batter and give a twist around the kadai so that it spreads around. Now we'll keep it closed for almost a minute, and let's see after a minute how the appam turns out to be. It's been 1.5 minutes. I had been checking from 1 minute onward. Let's see. Yes, it is done. It's brown on the sides, and you just need to press in the center to see if you can see the batter. No, there is no batter here, so it's cooked well. Let's just take it out with a spatula. Here we have our appam. You want to try once again? Let me go ahead with one more. Keep checking after 1 minute if it's done or not, and make sure it's always on the low flame. If you keep it on the medium or on the high flame, there are possibilities of burning the appam and the batter not getting cooked properly. It has always happened with me, so this is how I learned that we have to keep it in the low flame every time. And if you keep it on the high flame or on the medium flame to cook it sooner, there is a possibility that the batter in the center will never get cooked, but the bottom part will always be burnt or too much brown in color. You don't want that. You want well cooked appams like this, so always make sure that the flame is on low. Our delicious appams are ready. I hope you all give it a try. Please let me know for any suggestions, for any cooking tutorials you want me to upload. I'll definitely be uploading more soon.